she went on her channel athi mina ngijaja abomama abadala lapha emsebenzini laba abadlayo blah blah blah. She said a lot. Let me tell you, I went to work the following day. My colleagues were so angry at me, and I'm asking myself, oh, the principal called me in the morning and then he's like, hey Ntombi, this stuff is sekuthelele and getting ngani. And apparently babonile ku Owam Entertainment ukuthi mina bengikhuluma ngabo, and I was not even talking about my colleagues. Into engayi mention, I was like, I'm in a new school and abangijwayele ukuthi I don't carry lunchbox at work. Like I said those things not direct to them ukuthi bayangenisa mabedla or something. She went on her channel para about me. And I had to go and apologize to my colleagues because of Owam Entertainment.